everybody, it's Talia and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well and safe out there. Today's video is going to be a full face makeup under $5. I had to go quick at Target to get a few things that are under $5. That I want to do some really colorful eyeshadow looks. It's been a hot minute that I haven't done any looks, so I was like, I want to do something more fun, a little pop of color for you guys. I don't know, I feel like I've been boring lately. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this video. And first, guys, I like to put my hair in a clips because I don't like my hair to be on the way. The first thing I'm going to go in is with my brows. Pencil I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and this one is the shade Neutral Brown. Go ahead and just brush my brows upwards. This brow pencil is only $5 and it works so amazing. And what I like to do is line this up just a little. And from the top. And then create like a little line. Just taking this bully brush, push it upwards so it can like blend in. And with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and this one is the shade Fair Neutral. I'm basically taking it on the bottom of my brows and taking it from the top as well. Move this little clip a little further away from my face. With this concealer, I basically like to clean up my brows. I feel like it looks way much better, so making sure I clean this. And then I just take my finger and then just blend the concealer. One more time with my e.l.f. brow pencil and just blending the top. Basically, I'm doing the same steps and I'm just gonna line it up from the bottom and the arch. And just brushing that upwards. Making sure that's neat. I'm just taking my concealer again and cleaning the top as well. Same concealer, Wet n Wild. Really applying this concealer on my eyelids because I am gonna prime them so I can do me eyeshadow. I'm taking my beauty sponge, which is so dirty. I definitely need to clean my brushes. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Makeup Mist set, and basically I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the concealer, because I do want to prime it and make sure it's good. So I love setting my eyelids with concealer and powder just because they do crease. With my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder, and this is Warm Light powder, I accidentally dropped it. I'm setting my eyelids with the pressed powder just because, like I said, they crease like crazy, so I like to set them in place. So yeah, I feel like it gets a little some sort of warm in the eyelids. Go ahead and do my eyeshadow. Going in with the Bite Size eyeshadow in Jalapeño. This eyeshadow I'm so excited to use, guys. I've never been so excited to use like a little palette. So I haven't done any looks lately, so I'm really excited. This is beautiful. Just look at the shades, guys. Lovely, super gorgeous colors. This gold I am so excited to use, guys. You have this Wet n Wild. This one is the Not a Basic Peach, and I'm just taking this transition shade and it all over the eyelid. So just go ahead and apply that. So that's it for that part. Now I'm taking my $3 bite-size eyeshadow palette in shade right here. I am focusing in the middle of my crease and bringing it back and forth to the outer, to the inner. I'm taking a little bit more. A little bit upwards just so it can blend well. Middle of my crease, and then to the inner, to the outer, and just blending that in. You really want to be really precise with this. It has a little bit of pigmented, but not so much. Applying more of this green shade. Keep digging in for more of that shade so you can get that right color that you're looking for. Honestly, it's not bad for $3. And with this dark green shade right here, I'm actually going to apply it the outer corner of my eyelid, just because I do want it to be like a little smoky eyeshadow. This one I am bringing into the outer V and then kind of smudging it in the center of my eyelid. I'm taking a little bit more of that shade and then just kind of bring it into the inner corner. So I'm going the middle of my crease and then bring it into the inner corner. Taking a different brush, and I'm actually going to go back with the Wet n Wild and taking the transition shade and just kind of blend like beneath my brow bone, just because it looks pretty intense. So I don't know, it just looks so weird, so I'm just gonna try to like fix it. Now I'm taking this gold shimmer right here, taking my finger. Ooh, this is beautiful. And I'm applying this in the center of my lid. Wow, very beautiful. With my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, this one is the Dewy Base Tint. It gives a really nice glow to the face, and that's what I like about it. And it's only $3.99, which is not bad at all. I really love that, and it leaves my face so hydrating too. Just gives a really nice glow, you know. Now I'm going in with my current favorite right now, and I've been loving it ever since I purchased it. This is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator, and I got the shade Light Medium, and it's only $4.99, guys. It's like not bad at all. It's not heavy on the skin. It feels so great, cakey, and I do work more than 8 hours, so this is perfect for like every day for work or something. So taking my beauty sponge and my e.l.f. setting spray And basically I am going to blend this all over my face. Go in with my Pro Concealer, and this one is the shade Porcelain, to apply it my under eyes. Oh, that is a lot of concealer. And these are only $4.99, which is not bad at all. I feel like they're really affordable and they work amazing. So if you're looking for a concealer, this one's also a good concealer. The tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and forehead area. Cream contour, I'm going in again with LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is the shade Toasted. This is like under $5 and the products is like not bad at all. And just applying it right here. So I'm taking again my beauty sponge and just blending everything in. I'm going in with my Airspun loose face powder, and this one is translucent. $5.49, so it's a little bit over 50 cents, but you know what, that's okay. I couldn't find anything that is $5. So I'm just taking this and applying it underneath my eye area, just so my eyelids won't crease like crazy. For bronzer, I'm going in with my Innocent Matte Bronzer Powder, and this one is the shade Natural. In with my Bite Size Face Duel, and this one is White Peach, and this one's from e.l.f. and it's only $3. It's so great because I don't need to worry about the blush or the highlighter. It has it in this little small dual bite, which is amazing. And I'm just applying lightly a little bit. And with my sponge, just kind of like remove that too much product on my face. With my e.l.f. Makeup Mess Set. So I'm going back with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. Taking this shade, brown shade over here. For mascara, I'm going in with e.l.f. Volume Plumbing Mascara. I'm not gonna apply any mascara on my bottom lashes. So now that I finished applying mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and start with lips. I'm going in with my NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil. This one is the shade Nude Truffle. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Lip Gloss, and this one is the shade Clear. honestly, I just want to keep it very natural. Since there's a lot going on with the eyes, I do want to keep the lips very natural as possible. I'm going in with my Innocence Make Me Brow, and this one is the shade Brownie Browns. Highlighter, I'm going back with the e.l.f. Face Dual, and I'm taking this highlighter right here. This one is the White Peach. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed full face of $5 makeup look. I love how everything turned out, especially the eyeshadow. Love it. So I'm really happy with everything products, and there's some e.l.f. products are like stepping up their game. I really love their makeup. But yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.